Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Fastening Features lesson. Using the plastic box part, click in the menu Insert Fastening Feature Lip Groove. Add the bottom body to the groove and the top body to the lip selection box. Select the edge for the groove and the edge for the lip. In the parameters section, enter the lip and groove values indicated and click OK when done. Switch to a front view and make a section view to inspect the result. Hide the lip body and click the menu Insert Fastening Features Mounting Boss. Select the face indicated, enter the mounting boss parameters, align the fins with the right plane, and click OK to continue. Expand the mounting boss feature and edit the 3D sketch. Make the point concentric with the edge and exit the sketch. Orient the model and make a new sketch in the bottom face. Add 2 sketch points and dimension their location as indicated. Exit the sketch when finished. From the Linear Pattern drop-down, select a Sketch-Driven Pattern. Select the new sketch, add the mounting boss to the features list and click OK. Make the lip body visible and click in the menu Insert Fastening Features Mounting Boss. Use Select Other to select the inside face. Change the view style to Hidden Edges Visible and select the circular edge to position the mounting boss. Enter the mounting boss parameters. Align the fin with the edge of the previous mounting boss and click OK. Change the view style to Shaded with Edges and make the top body transparent. Add a new sketch-driven pattern. Select the same sketch. Add the new mounting boss to the features to copy and click OK. Hide the groove body and the sketch used for the pattern. Go to the menu Insert Fastening Feature Snap Hook. Select the edge to locate the hook and the faces to orient it. Enter the snap hook parameters. And click OK. Expand the snap hook feature and edit the 3D sketch. Dimension the location point and exit the sketch. Add a linear pattern. Select the direction, spacing, and number of copies. Add the snap hook to the features to pattern and click OK. Mirror the linear pattern about the right plane to finish the snap hooks. Make the groove body visible and the lip body transparent. Reorient the model. Click in the menu Insert Fastening Features, Snap Hook Groove. Select the snap hook feature. Select the groove body. Enter the groove's parameters and click OK. Hide the lip body to continue. Add a linear pattern of the snap hook groove, select the direction, spacing and copies, and click OK. Mirror the linear pattern about the right plane to continue. Make the lip body visible and add a section view to review the snap hook features. Exit the section view to finish.